I was just interested in the choice of music. That was a very full-service tune that we heard then. Thank you very much for being with us. It's great to have you here. And obviously there's a lot going on in your life and in your business, so we appreciate the time you've spent with us. I was asked by your people to give a few questions that I was planning to ask, but I said to them, whatever I ask, you'll say whatever you want, so we can go anywhere we want, I presume. Nothing's out of bounds. The obvious first question, and thank you very much for creating some extra news yesterday, is why did you buy nearly 10% of Cathay Pacific?
Well, frankly, I wish I could buy more, but we are restricted. The Swire Group and Air China hold most of it. So anyway, at least I am the third largest shareholder, which is not bad.
Not bad at all. You also have similar or larger shares in LATAM and IAG, and almost in American, but not quite. What do you get for these investments? Why are you doing it?
Well, we are doing strategic investments. You know, an airline is a very difficult industry to make sure that we always make enough money to sustain the jobs that we are creating within the company. So it was very important that I spread our risk and take stakes in very successful, well-managed airlines and where we see there is potential. Now the question will be that yes, okay, LATAM, IAG and Cathay are very well-run airline. So why did we get into Meridiana? We took 49% stake, which we only last month concluded. And the reason for this is we see that there is a very big potential. They have a good management team, and of course we will improve management team. Italy is such an important country in the EU, does not have a national carrier. I know that Alitalia is the national carrier, but you know that it is the sick person in Italy. So we see that there is a big potential, and we intend to make this airline very successful, and I'm sure there is media here and they would like to hear that we are going to change the name of Meridiana and we will call it Air Italy, because we would really like to be the main national carrier of Italy, serving the Italian public to the best of the ability, like we serve our passengers in Qatar Airways.
So interesting. So Air Italy is much more than an investment. It's actually something where you're going to grow and alter the shape of that airline and its role in the market?
Yes, we will grow the airline in a very robust manner. But at the same time, we will make sure that the employees are part of the airline. They are not just an employee, but they are part of the airline. I will be hopefully going soon to Italy and to have a meeting with as many employees as I can and give them some messages which will be very encouraging, and telling them that we want really to be the flag carrier of Italy. We will not manage it. We have a very strong Italian and European team that is managing it, but as a major stakeholder, it is my duty to make sure that I give the right messages to the people, because a lot of people, when an airline that is now coming into the market after already an airline from my region losing the proposition that they had made, that we give them confidence that we are different from the other people.